In this video, I will show you how to send money from Revolut to an Indian bank account. To do this, first just go and open up the Revolut app, and then in the bottom you want to go and click on Payments. Now once you are in the Payments section, just click on plus in the top right. And from the New Payments section, you just want to click on Send International. That will take you to a list of countries that you can choose from. From here, just go and search for India, and then here from the list, select India. That will take you to this screen. From here, just choose how much you want to send first, and you can either choose to type it in Indian rupees or in your own currency, which for me is euro. And then for the transfer method, just make sure that it is set to bank account. Now, after you have entered how much you want to send and clicked on continue, you will then see this. So here you need to enter the account details. So simply choose first if it's an individual or a business you're sending to, and then here enter their account number, IFSC, first and middle names, last name and email, and then click add recipient in the bottom. After doing that, you will most likely see a confirmation screen like this. From here, just going to click on send in the bottom, and then the money will be on its way to the Indian bank account. So now you know how to send money from Revolut to an Indian bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.